What's this video? What are we doing today?
Well, it's literally...
I bitch, you was your mess, ayy. Can't keep my dick in my pants, ayy. My bitch don't love me no more, ayy.
So, I'll probably start off the video by explaining why I have this car. So this is a completely separate video. You probably noticed it's in the same video as obviously picking up Aramis's car. It's a little bit of a weekend thing. I drive to college as I do, and I'm always late. I'm never on time. I'm never early. I'm late, and I literally put on the brakes, or go to put on my brakes. Straight. Right.
Go to put on his brakes.
Yeah, I go to put on my brakes.
It's alright actually, isn't it?
That's alright. I went to go and put on my brakes and nothing happened. My brake pedal just went solid, like nothing, no response. And I had to like put my handbrake, because new cars are electronic handbrakes, and they don't just do the rear wheels, they do all the wheels. And I completely not fucked the car, but now there's always a bit of a squeaking sound with the brakes, and since then I just don't really trust the car at all. So I took the car to get it obviously all sorted, and they said it will take a few days, and I literally live off my car. Like, I can't go without a car now. Obviously I'm at college, work, and now like volunteer with charities and shit like that. Like, I just need a car constantly. So I said, look, I'll try and survive on a broken car, whether it'll kill me or not. And I'll literally just see how it goes. And I've literally had to wait a month for this courtesy car. And I picked it up today. I wish I filmed it, but yeah, again, I was in a rush. And I'm having problems. I literally had so many problems trying to get this courtesy car. Even though it's like it's a little A1. I gave them my driving license, and they're complaining that, oh, I have convictions. I don't have any convictions at all. So I've literally gone through hell, like thick and thin, just to get this car.
What did they say? You got convictions?
Yeah, so they asked my driver's license.
Yeah.
And it literally took them like 10 minutes or so, which is a long time.
Yeah.
Just to get insurance, like a quote back, and they said, well, I couldn't actually like get insurance with my driver's license thing, because they tried to take my driver's license number. Yeah. They said there's an error, like I have convictions or something like that.
Oh, they might have typed it in wrong.
Yeah.
Overtake this kid, because you're upsetting me now.
I gave him my national insurance number, and literally everything was sorted.
Yeah,
I kind of wish I got something a bit bigger.
Did they ask you what you wanted? Like, did they say, oh, you can either have that or that?
No, they literally just took me out to the forecourt and was like, there's your car, and I was like, oh.
Do you know what you have to do next time? If anyone as well, my mate, you know Aaron? Yeah. Of course, dodgy Aaron. Yeah. If you're going to get a courtesy car, because your car is broke, blah, 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 whatever, if you're getting a courtesy car, always try and say, well, you can't really get away with it because you've got a 3-door, but for me, if I got a 5-door and they tried to give me a 3-door like this, I'll say, oh, I've got my family, blah 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 blah, I'm a young parent, I have to have 5 doors to get the kid seat in the back, and that will get you well, more possibility to get a bigger car. So you don't have to literally say you got a family, but just say like, oh, I'm going away this weekend, that's why I need the courtesy car, and I need to get luggage in the back, and there's 5 of us go in, ain't going to be enough space in the car, blah blah blah, and you tend to get a bigger car. That's Aaron's always asked for that, and that's got a bigger car. Yeah. So because he's got a big car himself anyway, he's got an A8, I think A8, A7. You don't get a short wheelbase. It is a long wheelbase, but you don't get a short wheelbase. Okay. So it's a long like boat of a car. I think this is it's 5-door. So if he was to get something like this, he could get away and say, well, I've got a big car because I used the big car. Yeah. So, yeah. And I think it's insurance, because I'm quite young. I've only been driving, what, a few months? Yeah, so you wouldn't be able to get like a 2-litre petrol, or like you wouldn't be given an S1. If you went in with like an Audi RS7, they're going to give you a very high spec close to it, because they know, 1, you can handle it, you're used to it, and 2, if I took in an RS3 and got an A3 like 1.4, 6, whatever, straight across, I'll be like pissed right off. I'll be like, no mate, I brought you in this car, like you can give me something very similar to it. Because I know the courtesy cars that you can get. So you can get an A1, A3, Q2, A5, A4, did I say Q2? Yeah. Q5, and I have known someone to get an R8 back. Really? Yeah, from an A3. Shit.
I'll put, if I can always remember, I'll put a link in the description to a thread.
You won't remember.
Yeah, I never put a link. I don't even do descriptions, if I'm honest. Basically, they had an A3 similar to mine, except a 5-door silver one, and they got an R8 back. It was only for a day, but they had an R8 for a day.
That's mad.
New shit,
like,
so.
They must have like not had any cars in.
Yeah,
for them together. How old were they, if you remember?
The person?
Yeah.
I don't know. They didn't say their age on the.
Older than us.
Yeah, probably like 24, 25.
Still, that's fucking good.
To get an R8 back.
Fair enough if you're like in your 40s. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I think he must have known someone. Must have.
Yeah. It's a bit weird to get an R8 from an A3. They would never step you up unless they had to.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I'll probably stop the video here. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, as everyone on YouTube say.
Yeah.
But literally, I'm sorry for the lack of videos. I literally do not have time.
But he is flat out. I'll give him that one. He's got work, college, bloody assignments to do.
It sucks.
What's it called that you do?
I volunteer.
Volunteer, that's the word. Yeah. So he ain't got a lot of time, and it's not easy editing.
But yeah, thank you guys.
Hey, I like bitch who is your mess. Hey, can't keep my dick in my pants. Hey, my bitch don't love me no more. Hey, she kick me out on life, bro.
Okay.
It is, but it has to be done, and that's the end of the video.
Yeah.
Balling. And they're like, oh, what, you're taking your sister's car out?
She's your hairdresser, level 1.
Level 1 B-Tech.
I'm not even B-Tech, C-Tech. No, like
Fuck that, Z-Tech. Honda power.
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
Left lane.
Did you just say Z-Tech?
Oh shit, I meant B-Tech, innit?
Yeah. Z-Tech's 40.